Brake and ABS warning lights are critical safety indicators that alert you to potential problems in your vehicle's braking system. Understanding what these lights mean can help prevent dangerous situations and costly repairs. These are the two main warning lights you'll encounter. The brake warning light appears as an exclamation point in a circle, while the ABS light shows the letters ABS surrounded by a circle with curved lines. The brake warning light has several common causes. Low brake fluid is by far the most frequent, accounting for 60 to 70% of all brake warning light activations. This is followed by worn brake pads, parking brake engagement, brake system pressure loss, and master cylinder problems. ABS warning lights have different common causes. Wheel speed sensor malfunctions account for 40% of ABS issues, making them the most frequent problem. ABS module failures represent 25% of cases, followed by wiring and connector problems at 20% and hydraulic pump issues at 15%. Modern vehicles built after 2020 feature increasingly complex brake systems. These systems are now integrated with electronic stability control, traction control, and advanced driver assistance systems. This integration means that brake warning lights can indicate problems across multiple interconnected systems, making diagnosis more challenging than in older vehicles. The most important thing to understand about brake and ABS warning lights is that they indicate safety-critical issues. Your braking system is essential for stopping your vehicle safely. Ignoring these warnings can lead to complete brake failure, inability to stop, and serious accidents. Always address brake warning lights immediately. Your safety and the safety of others depends on it. Begin troubleshooting by performing basic checks. First, locate the brake fluid reservoir in your engine bay and check the fluid level. Next, make sure your parking brake is completely disengaged. A partially engaged parking brake is a common cause of brake warning lights. Step 2 involves visual inspection. Check brake lines for damage, inspect wheel wells for fluid leaks, and examine brake pad thickness through the wheel spokes. Pay special attention to brake pad thickness. Green indicates light wear, yellow shows moderate wear, and red means heavy wear requiring immediate service. For advanced diagnostics, connect an OBD2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port. This tool will read and record any brake-related error codes stored in the system. Follow the scanner's prompts to read diagnostic trouble codes. Record all brake-related codes and freeze-frame data for reference. After identifying issues, clear the diagnostic codes using your scanner. Then perform a test drive at various speeds to verify the repair. If scanner clearing doesn't work, try manual reset methods like disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes or performing specific pedal cycling sequences. Seek professional help immediately if you notice brake pedal changes, grinding noises, or fluid leaks. Some repairs require specialized tools and expertise. Remember, hydraulic system work and ABS module programming often require professional-grade tools and expertise. Never compromise on brake system safety.